This lecture is on buffers. Buffers are solutions that must contain either A, a weak acid and its conjugate base, or B, a weak base and its conjugate acid. The purpose of buffer solutions is to resist pH change by the addition of acid or base to the buffer solution. Let's look at two different situations. One by the addition of acid, and two, one by the addition of base. In this animation, adding acid in the form of H3O plus is combined with A minus to form some new HA, and afterwards that new amount of HA is added to the present amount of HA, making its amount larger. In this animation, adding base in the form of OH minus is combined with HA to form some new A minus, and afterwards that new amount of A minus is added to the present amount of A minus, making its amount larger. The top figure illustrates a non-buffer solution where if one adds either acid, H3O or H plus, or base, OH minus, to the system, the pH will change large scale. The bottom figure illustrates a buffer solution where if one adds either acid, H3O or H plus, or base, OH minus, to the system, the pH will change small scale, meaning large amounts of both the acid and conjugate base are present. Let's look at an example. Suppose we have large amounts of both the acid and base of this system. HAC, AC equals C2H3O2 minus, and AC minus. If one adds a small amount of acid or base to this mixture, let's see what happens. If one adds acid or H plus to the mixture, the result is C2H3O2 minus plus H3O plus in reversible process forms HC2H3O2 plus H2O. If one adds base OH minus to the mixture, the result is HC2H3O2 plus OH minus in a reversible process forms C2H3O2 minus plus H2O. In short, buffer solutions maintains pH either by a small amount of acid or base added to the mixture, as long as it has large amounts of both the acid and conjugate base. Here is a review exercise for you to do. Determine which of the following pairs results in the formation of a buffer solution. A, NaCl and HCl, B, HF and NaF, C, NaOH and HOH, D, HCN and NaCN. For the remaining part of this lecture are solutions to review exercises or problems. Please view only after completing these exercises.